Okay, so now we are going to carry out the integration or the integral of a polynomial function. Given a polynomial x to the power n, and here we have to prevent n from being minus 1 because of mathematical reasons, the integral of such a term would be given by this procedure. This would be the integral of this term. Of course, here, in order to be concrete, we have to supplement in order to be general, we have to supplement a constant. Remember that an integral undoes what a derivative does. So, if you were to take a derivative of this, you should be able to return there. And the integral of that brings us down here. Notice what we have done, or rather what the effect of integration does. It adds 1 to the old exponent of our term, and it divides by the new exponent. You could think of that as the algorithm or recipe of carrying out the integration process. Let's do a specific example. So let's consider x to the power 4 dx. What this would look like is, in our case here, n is equal to 4. So we need to increase our power by 1 and then divide this whole term by the new power. So what this would look like is x to the power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. And I will again include the constant for generality. This simply reduces to x to the 5 over 5. Plus c. Let's give this function a name, call it g of x. Now, if we were to perform the derivative of this function with respect to x, notice this will take us right back to x to the power 4. Let's go ahead. What is the derivative of g of x? Well, the derivative would reduce the power of our coefficient of our term by 1 after having brought down the old exponent as a coefficient. What I'm trying to say is this 5 here will be brought down, and the new power will be reduced by 1. Effectively, that looks like this. It's going to be 5x to the 5 minus 1 all over 5. Well, what is the derivative of a constant? This is 0. So this will vanish. So effectively, we will have 0, and this would reduce to the 5 will cancel the 5, and we're back to x to the 4 as advertised. This holds true if and only, or rather provided that we prevent n from being minus 1. That calls for a special function. Okay, that should be enough, a good review. And next we will consider, in the next video that is, we will consider properties of integration. Okay, see you in the next video.